Create cap plate. Column cap plate we need to create. Go to the PDF, you can see the cap plate. Here it is, cap plate. You can see this is the cap plate. That is plate thickness 25. Now go to the text class structure. Then go to application and component. Type here cap plate, or you can make it cap plate detail like that. Few cap plates available. In that we don't want any other things like this. We just need it plate. So select this one. Now go to the section grid view. Just go to grid view, press Control Tab. You go to the grid view. We need to create here. Just select this one and select the column and click the location. It will place like this. But we need to place this one below. Just double click this one. We will customize first. Then we will need to create. Select, just make it here 0. We don't want any gap, so just make it here all the area, just make it here 0, and here also all the area just make it 0. Then simply modify. It will place like this. You can see exactly fitted with edges. Now select this one, go to plate, make it the thickness 25. If you go to the PDF, you can see the thickness 25. Then make it here, this is a plate, make it 1. And what is the material? You can select the material. If you go to the steel, you can select the material and click OK. And our all the thinking capacities, you can make the name also. Then simply modify. Now here it is modified perfectly. Then if you go to the weld, other all the thinking capacities, no need to make any other changes. Now come down, just come here. You will get it some more items also. In that, if you need any circular column, if you need to make, you can select this one. Otherwise, just keep as it is. Then simply modify and click OK. Then select this one, right click, go to the move command, click this end point, and you can place it like this. So here it is placed perfectly with this end. Same connection you can create all the area also, or you can just go to component, create current connection, just click this column, you can place it here, then right click interrupt, select this one, right click, move, click this location and place it like this. So now here also we placed. So then we can copy these all the connections and all, we can place it that side. So select this all the area, you have to select like this. Before that you have to check your work plane, select all the things. Now we don't want this end plate, just press Ctrl and you can remove from selection. Right click, copy, mirror, click this point and click this point, then copy. Within few seconds all the things will copy to that side. All the connections, everything you will get it. You can see here this connection, you will get it, everything you will get it. So this is the way you can create this cap plate, and you can arrange this one like this in Tekla structure. Thank you so much. Create crane support beam. If you go to the PDF, you can see here this is the crane support beam. We need to create, this is the beam profile. Here it is the length, and we need to place it like this connections. How to do, we will see in this lecture. Just go to Tekla structure, then go to the steel, select here beam. Before that you have to select here grid A and click this point and just click this point exactly, or you can click this location and you can place it like this. The length is 1 meter, 1000 mm. Just make it here 1000, then enter. Now you will get it like this because previously we used tapered profile, that's why it is coming like this. Go to the properties, we need to change this one, make it beam, then go to the profile. Here we need to select the profile from WUS section. Here it is 760. If you go to the PDF, you can see the size 760 582. Just go to 760, then 582, select this one, then simply modify. Here it is placed like this. You can change the part numbering also, just make it H. And here it is assembly. We don't want any assembly because we will assemble with this column. So just make as it is and simply enter. If you want, you can change the color, and also I just make it color for 3. You can change that, just type this number also, you will get in the color. So simply enter, here it is. Now select this one, right click, go to the move command, click this point, and you can place it here like this. Now we need to create the connection. For connection, go to application and component. We need to create the same connection all the area also, or we can once we create, after that we can mirror and we can create also. Now just go to application and component, type here welded, make it welded. So welded connection, you can see here few welded connection available, but for column to beam welded connection, this is very good one. Most commonly all the people are using this connection. So double click this connection, and if you want you can all the thing customize also, or just make it apply and click OK. Select this one, select this one, it will create within few seconds. Now here it is created. Now just double click this one, you can customize this one. We don't want any gap, so just make it here 0. And go to the stiffener. We need it stiffener. Stiffener, I just make it here thickness 30, thickness all the things 30. So just copy also, just make it Control V, Control C, Control V, you can make it. And here it is plate, so just make it here P, prefix number, start number, make it 1. And the material, go to the steel, just make a material, which material you want depends on your standard, you can make the material. And other all the thing, capacities, name, you can make it name also. For stiffener, if you need any other things, you can make that thing also, age, distance, or if you need to arrange, everything is possible, but just keep as it is, simply modify. Here it is placed. Then if you go to the beam cut, you can see here, if you select this one, you will get it like this cut, and if you don't want, if you made it like this, you will get it flush. But I need it this one, so I just make it this one, and here it is modified. If you want the dimension and all, you can decide here, otherwise just keep as it is. Now this connection is finished. If you need more things, you can make this also, but we don't want any more things, so just simply click OK. Now go to the next connection. We need to, you can see here we have this connection. So this one we need to create. This one is stiffener. We need to create 25 thickness. Just go to Tekla structure. For that, just make it here stiffener, or you can make it column stiffener, like that also you can make it. If you go down, you can see this is stiffener 1030 connection. Just click this connection, then select the beam, click the location. So here it is placed perfectly. So just double click this one. We can customize this one how we require. Just make it, what is the thickness of this part, just make it here thickness, and I just make it here size 300, and here also just make it here 300. What is the height, I just make it here 200, and here also make it 200. Then the prefix and start number, material, depends on your project material, you can make it. And this is a plate, so I just make it here. Just copy this one, Control C and Control V. Then if you modify, here it is fixed like this. Now go to the picture. Now I just change here, it is 100. Then here also I just make it here 100. This one I just make it 20 for this one welding gap, this gap, make it here 20. I just make it here 20, and here also you can Control C and Control V also possible, and here also I just make it here 100, then modify. Here it is fixed, you can see perfectly fixed. If you need more also, you can make that one, and it is okay. So then if you go here, you will get it additional information. If you need any additional information, you can make that also. Otherwise simply modify, apply, and click OK. Now select this all the things, right click, copy, mirror. Before that you have to check your work plane. Now click this midpoint and click this midpoint, then copy. Here it is placed. Now press Ctrl and select this one only, so you will get it this connection. Just keep as it is, then we will delete anyone. So now just keep as it is. Now right click, copy special, mirror, click this point and click this point. Now just copy and here it is placed. Now right click, interrupt, click outside. Now you can see here you will get it this one, it is clash. If you getting like this, definitely here we have clash. But you can see here if you go here you never get any like this. So this is we have some clash here. So how to solve this clash? You can select this stiffener, any one stiffener, right click and go to explode it, or you can do one more thing also without explode. Select any one connection, just double click this one and go to the stiffener, just make it this stiffener 0. So like that also you can make it, or you can make it explode and you can delete it. Both are possible. Now you can see one stiffener only available, we don't have any clash here. So here also it is perfectly placed. So this is the way you can create like these beams and connection in TeClass Structure. Thank you so much.